Msizi goes back to Gogosia to get her to work in his business at Tembisa. Faith pretends to be fine in front of Nkosi and Ona, but behind closed doors, she's falling apart. She's afraid that she's going to die alone because Kulubus is the only man that she's been with after Ufunani. Mulife finally wrote the letter to Dorothy and burnt it. Mampo wants to move out and asks Utato to be her roommate, but Tato's like, nope, you're too controlling. Now Bokatla was going to get Isaac Komatateng because Bamushapile now Isaac must intervene. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zuite. So Faith shows up, Shem, everyone is just happy to see her. The family is just trying to do something nice for her, offering food, offering massages on Kosi. At here, guys, stop what you're doing, right? Mina, yes, I was supposed to get married and it's no longer happening. And that's okay, like it's life, it happens. And says she was ready to go back to work. But says notices hi man. Lo, she's lying, she's pretending to be fine. Ageko right, goes to her room, finds her crying. Ati says, yes, you can fool the kids, not me. I know you. Ngiyakwazi phela mina. You can't lie to me. Whereas Faith Ati yazi Ukhulubisi is the only man that I've been with after Ufunani. So nje, I was supposed to be married now, but here I am. Because isn't it, they just got so messy. Umsiz was like, but that's what families are for. Mamdeni messy nje, as in this is just so hard to accept, but I need to just accept because it's the way it is. At my big age, it means ngizofangedwa. Like, where am I going to get love again? Because it's like the universe was just dangling love to me. When I open my heart, it's gone just like that. Faith has never been with anyone else after Ufunani. So she really liked Ukulubuse. And to see everything fall apart like this, like it's really eating her up. And at her age, she feels like she's just going to die alone. Shame, poor Faith, hey? And Umsizi goes to see Gogosia, saying that he's got a job for her at his business at Tembisa. I don't know tufuna zoyenzani lapha ku scrapyard sakhe or and Gogosia feels like there's something off kule ndawo man. Something just feels heavy. And then Umulife finally wrote the letter to Dorothy, pouring his heart out, saying he gave it his all. It just didn't work out, but it doesn't mean he's not worthy of love. And he bent the letter. Finally, I hope he gets some closure and he gets to like relieve all these things that has been weighing on him with this whole Dorothy Reasenzo thing. And then get lots of questions. Hey, come on, shapileng wena. Katla says, hey, driver is a kid in Shapile just because I took some monies from the donation money and bought myself a sandwich because I was hungry. I ran about Shapela or Rekiledi, Joe Shapetsiboroto. Now go with Papa, there's no way. Katla begged her not to, but she did tell her dad. Papa is like, does he want to get out of this Prophet Ezekiel thing? Because you can't help someone that does not want to be helped. But obviously, Katla doesn't want to get out. And then Molife tells Isaac, hey, Ezekiel, they were here recruiting the guys to join the patrolling thing at community. Isaac, I tried to start something like this, but remember how it went. But now because the Prophet Ezekiel, everyone is keen to do it. Shemati Isaac, and now Nampo wants to move out, but does not know how to tell Maria. And Maria is not going to like that she's moving out Libusi because they think Goringwana, Agasebi sharply Mampo fell. And then Soga suggests, why don't you get a roommate? Because so to make them feel easy, because she's also worried because he's not going to be keen of her moving out. She decides then to ask Utato, can you move in with us? Lina Libusi, like at some nice place, Ritoko locationing man. Ay, Tatar, Naka wena ke sharp, when are you too controlling wena? Utlaba this slice jabo roto and what, but nope, nake sharp, but what's when rather poverty. We'd rather stay in back room than to live with us. Maybe they upgrade like go bedroom no. So good for Tato. Mampo is very controlling and for his own peace of mind, I guess. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.